dear students and parents. I would welcome you all in online teaching program by IRD Group of School. Dear students, we have completed our block 8. Today we are going to start block 9 lesson plan 1. And for this our resources will be scary mask, content book, notebook and workbook. And the keywords corridor, sleep, screamed, scary, brave. And our agenda as usual: first questioning part, then discussion, after an activity, worksheet and then homework. Our today's topic is predicting a story. Predicting. Students, you know what is the meaning of predicting? You might have aware about this word. As I told you in the previous lesson plans also, predict means to guess, to make guess about a story, means predict, अंदाजा लगाना. Today we are going to predict a story. हम अंदाजा लगाएंगे एक स्टोरी के बारे में. So what is our today's aim? To make and check predictions about a story before, during and after reading. Means to make and check predictions. First we will make our predictions about a story, and those predictions we will check when? Before reading, after then, during reading, and at last after the reading also we will check our predictions, means how our predictions are correct and how they are wrong.
Student, just now you have seen, yes, what is it? Is it an interesting thing? Yes, this is a scary thing. Yes, today we are going to read something like this.
Yes, now look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? What is written as a title? Right, Scaredy Sam. What do you think the story is about? What do you think the story is about? Yes, you just have seen the picture. What do you think the story is about? Yes, parents, please pause the video so the students can predict about the stories, and then they can, after the reading, they will compare their predictions with the story, means how their prediction is right or how it was not comparing with the story. Yes, can you guess the story is about? By looking this picture, what can you guess? One boy is there, he's looking scared. Yes, and what other thing? You can see a scary mask also. And what is this white like eyes are there? It is looking like a ghost. Yes, students, now we are going to read the story. I will read the story and you will follow the text with your finger. Students, now open page number 2 of your content book, Scaredy Sam. What will you do? You will circle the word which is new for you. You are not aware about the meaning of that word. Follow the text with your finger. I am going to read the story. Scaredy Sam by Vinita Krishna. Sam and Sid were drawing with crayons and paint. Their mother was in kitchen baking a cake. Come children, come, she called out at last. Come children, come, she called out at last. The cake is ready. Be quick, be fast. The first piece is mine, said Sid as he ran to the door. Wait, cried Sam, I'm scared of the dark corridor. Now on the next page, Sid turned to Sam and said with a frown, come on, grow up. I can't wait around. Sam ran after him, but Sid disappeared into the dark corridor. Sam froze with fear. It was pitch dark and he could hear many sounds of ghosts and monsters that moved all around. Sam picked up some marbles and held them tight. He felt very strong and ready to fight. He entered the corridor, counting 1, 2, 3. He heard a tick and tack. What is that? Sam shrieked. He rushed back, sweating with fear. Carrying marbles did not help. Oh dear. Sam picked up a stick and held it very tight. He felt strong and ready to fight. Now on page number 5, he took one step, 2 steps and one more. He heard something hiss and slipped on the floor. Sam screamed, ghosts, monsters. Here, take that. He swung his stick wildly and then rushed back. Sam stood panting. It was getting very late. Sid must already have eaten half the cake. Sam then remembered the mask above his bed, the big scary mask with angry eyes red. Now the next page. The mask made him feel bigger than the monster of the night. He felt very strong and ready to fight. Sam wasn't scared. He let out a roar and ran with all his might across the corridor. Where is my cake? Asked Sam, charging inside. Sid got a scare and he ran off to hide. Mother smiled and gave him a big piece of cake. You walked through the dark corridor. You were brave. Hurrah, said Sid. Hurrah, said Sam. Scaredy Sam. I no longer am. Who the story is about? Who the story is about? The story is about two brothers, Sam and Sid. My next question is, what is Sam scared of? What is Sam scared of? Sam is scared of the dark corridor. What is the meaning of scary? Right, the meaning of scary, to get frightened. What sound did Sam hear? What sound did Sam hear? Yes, students, guess about the answer. Sam heard the sounds of ghosts and monsters. What did Sam wear? What did Sam wear? Sam wore a scary mask. Mask like this he wore. Student, in the beginning I have shown you the cover page of the story. Then I told you to predict about the story. How were your predictions? How much your predictions are right about the story? When you have seen the cover page of the story, now again look at the cover page of the story. What did you predict about the story? Were all your predictions right? What things can help us to predict the story? Yes, these are the questions which are based on this page. Yes, right. What did you predict about the story? We can predict the story by looking at the pictures. Yes, we can predict the story by looking at the pictures, and some words also, by reading those words also we can predict about the story. So this how the prediction help us to predict about a story. Now it's time for higher order thinking question. Yes, students, can you get some ideas to help Sam to get over his fear? Can you suggest some ideas? Right, as he has used the scary mask to get over his fear, some more ideas, think about it. Right, according to me, he should go in darkness again and again. Yes, and he should, if he cannot do this, he should use a torch or a flashlight, and he should do the things which make him brave. So this how he can get over his fear. So students, now it is time for application part. What will you do? Do S1 on page number 5 in your workbook. You will complete S1 which is given on page number 5 in your workbook. Yes, students, now open page number 5 of your workbook, S1, predicting a story. First question, draw a picture to show how Sam felt when he saw the dark corridor. You will draw a picture to show how Sam felt when he saw the dark corridor. Yes, he was feeling scared. Question number 2. Look at the picture. Guess what the story could be about. Write 2 sentences about it. Here you will look at the picture and then you will write 2 sentences about this picture. You might have listened about this story, so you can write easily. Now on question number 3. List the words and pictures from the story Scaredy Sam that helped you predict the story. You will write the words and pictures from the story Scared Sam that helped you predict the story. Students, now it is time for homework. What will you do in today's homework? Do practice question 1, 2 and 3 on page 8 in your content book. You will do question number 1, 2 and 3 which is given on page number 8 in your content book. At last it is time for summarization. Yes students, what have we learned today? Today we have predicted about a story. The name of the story was Scaredy Sam. Yes, today first we have make the predictions about the story and then we have read the story. First, what was given in the story? The story is about Sam and Sid. Who are the main characters in the story? Sam and Sid. But Sid gets scared from the darkness. He cannot go through the darkness as when their mother calling out them to have their cakes, then Sid was not able to go into to cross the dark corridor. At last he gets over his fear by using a scary mask. When he used the scary mask, he felt himself brave and he crossed the corridor. At last he gets over his fear and his mother and his brother Sam, they all were happy. Now be ready for your next class also, and the resources for next class on your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.